everyone, and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. In today's video, I thought it would be fun to do a holiday hairstyling video on this wig that I'm wearing right now. This is Leoni from the Alexander Couture Collection in the color Henna Red-R. This is one of my favorite colors that we have here at René of Paris because of the stunning red color. I also love how it's rooted so it looks really natural, almost like your own hair was dyed this color and growing in a little bit. It's a very beautiful shade of red. This is also a heat-friendly style, so you have a lot of styling flexibility with it. So you can kind of change the texture of the hair, but I absolutely love this wavy look that it already comes with right out of the box. This wig also features a really nice lace front, lace part, so when it comes to styling, you have a lot of flexibility to kind of brush the hair back and have that really natural look on top. Today's style is one that looks complicated but is actually quite simple, which is why I'm so excited to share it with you today. And this style is definitely not holiday exclusive, but I thought it would look so fun for the holidays as well. Especially with this red color, I thought it would just look so festive. For this hairstyle, I'm going to be putting a bow in the back of the hair using the hair itself. So it's quite simple. All you're going to need is some hair ties. I like to use these clear elastic band ones because they really blend in with the hair color and don't really stand out, but you probably could use any other hair ties that you have on hand. Of course, it's always good to have your wig brush and wig comb handy. I really like this wide tooth comb from René of Paris. It's absolutely fantastic for detangling wigs, especially wigs that have a wave to them, because it really helps to maintain that wave pattern as you're detangling. It's also good to have some bobby pins on hand as well. I'm using these ones that are a little bit of a brownish shade because it'll help to blend into the hair color. You're also going to need a hair pull-through tool. Now, this is quite a cheap and simple tool to get, but this will really help to shape the bow and keep it looking nice and neat. So let's go ahead and jump right into the styling. While you can do this style on your own hair if it's growing out of your head and while wearing the wig while it's on your head, what I find really great about wearing wigs is that you can actually take the style off to style it on a wig stand instead. That will really help you to see what you're doing rather than trying to style something without being able to see it. So for that, I will be using my René of Paris wig head to achieve that style. So let's go ahead and take the wig off and place it on the wig head. When you're putting it on, you want to feel where the ear tabs are to make sure it's oriented the same way it would be on your own head. And you can use the ears that are on this wig stand to help feel exactly where the wig will fall on your head. The first thing you want to do is put the hair into a half up, half down ponytail. From here, you're going to split the hair into two parts, a top part and a bottom part. With that top part, you want to add another hair tie about 5 fingers down and add another hair tie there. Then flip this ponytail through. Now with this loop you created, take the bottom part of the original ponytail and pull that through. Here is where you start to make the bow. Take that bottom part of the ponytail now and pull it up. You can start to shape your bow here, pull a little bit more hair through if you feel you need a little bit more hair for the bow. Now it's really starting to come together. Take a bobby pin or take a few, whatever you feel makes the bow more secure, and you can add that to the wig cap. If you want to, you can even gently secure the bobby pin to part of the wig cap itself, being careful not to damage it. Now already you can see the bow shape start to form. To clean up this part in the middle to make sure the hair tie isn't visible, now is here when you use the loop tool. You can put that tool through where you want to pull the next piece of hair through. You're going to take about 1 inch of hair and pull that through the loop. This is almost like a sewing tool, so you put it through the big hole on the tool, and as you gently pull that through, you can kind of wrap it around the bow to neaten it up and hide the hair tie. Once you have that through, you can pull the hair a bit tighter and adjust as necessary. You can kind of fluff the bow or kind of just tighten everything so it looks nice. Feel free to add as many more bobby pins as you need to secure it. We also have a synthetic wig hairspray from René of Paris that can help to keep everything together and keep it looking neat throughout the day. If you feel it's looking a little bit messy, you can even add some other hair accessories on top to hide any imperfections, but already you have a really great look that looks effortless and also just so much fun for the holidays. Once you put the wig on your head, you can also make more adjustments and fine-tune it. You can use the double mirror trick to see the back of your head through the mirror, or have a friend to fix it up for you. And here's what the wig looks like on, with this lovely holiday hair bow. Let us know in the comments below what you think of this style and if you think you might try it out for yourself. It's a lot of fun to try on a lot of different wigs, especially with fun wig colors like this one. Just a quick note that it is a bit harder to do on styles that are layered. This one is a layered style and I was still able to make it work, but this will work even better with a hair that it doesn't have a lot of layering to it. If you want to learn more about this wig style, which is Leoni from the Alexander Couture Collection, you can learn more about it on our website, reneofparis.com. Of course, this wig comes in a wide variety of colors, and you can check out all of our other styles on the website as well. I highly recommend the search by style section where you can filter all of the things you're looking for in a wig, and you can definitely find your dream wig by doing that. Don't forget to follow us on both YouTube and Instagram at René of Paris to stay up to date on all of our latest wig releases and for more wig tips and tutorials like this one. This is definitely a really fun one to try out. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.